Almost everyone has experienced the sudden urge to pee at the most inconvenient time during the day. Instead of going immediately, many people choose to ignore the signal and hold their urine longer. Inside your body, your bladder continues filling with urine even while you delay using the bathroom. As the bladder stretches beyond its comfort level, pressure starts building up inside your lower abdomen. At first, it may feel like a small discomfort, but the sensation quickly becomes harder to ignore. Many people develop the habit of holding their pee during work, travel, or busy daily schedules. But doing this too often can slowly create stress on your bladder and other parts of your body. To understand the risks, let's first see how your bladder normally works inside your body. Your bladder is a flexible organ that safely stores urine until your body decides it is time to release it. Your kidneys work continuously to filter waste and extra fluid from your blood, turning it into urine. This urine then travels through small tubes called ureters before finally reaching your bladder for storage. As more urine enters, your bladder slowly stretches to make room for the increasing volume. Special nerves send signals to your brain, letting you know when your bladder is getting full. That signal is what creates the familiar urge to pee that most people feel during the day. However, when you ignore this signal, your bladder continues to fill and pressure keeps building. Now let's explore what actually happens when you keep holding your pee for too long. When you hold your pee for too long, your bladder begins to stretch more than it normally should. At this stage, the urge to urinate becomes stronger and much harder to control. You may start to feel pressure or tightness in the lower part of your stomach. Your bladder muscles begin to work harder, which can make them feel tired and strained. Simple activities like sitting or focusing on work may suddenly become uncomfortable. Some people may even feel mild pain or cramping as the pressure continues to build. Your focus and productivity can drop because your body keeps demanding attention. These early symptoms are warning signs that your body needs relief soon. As your bladder reaches its maximum capacity, the internal pressure becomes much stronger and more uncomfortable. Even simple movements like walking can suddenly feel uncomfortable when your bladder is too full. You might feel sudden waves of pressure or pain that make it difficult to stay relaxed. Your bladder muscles may start contracting more frequently as they struggle to handle the extra pressure. At this point, the need to find a bathroom becomes urgent and difficult to delay any longer. A very full bladder can press against nearby organs and create additional discomfort inside your body. In extreme situations, your body may struggle to hold the urine, increasing the risk of accidental leakage. If this habit continues regularly, can begin to develop over time. When urine stays in the bladder for too long, bacteria can begin to grow and multiply inside. This bacterial can irritate the bladder lining and lead to urinary tract infection. One common symptom of infection is a burning or painful feeling during urination. You may also feel the need to urinate more often, even when your bladder is not full. Another warning sign is urine that looks clouder or has an unusual smell. If untreated, the infection can travel upward and begin affecting your kidneys. In more serious cases, you might develop fever, fatigue, or general body discomfort. Now let's see how holding your pee for too long can start affecting your kidneys. When the bladder becomes extremely full, pressure can travel backward and start affecting your kidneys. Your kidneys may have to work harder than usual, which can put extra strain on these vital organs. Over time, constant pressure can reduce how efficiently your kidneys filter waste from your blood. Some people may feel pain in their lower back, which can be a warning sign of kidney stress. Infections that start in the bladder can sometimes spread to the kidneys if the condition is ignored. As kidney stress increases, you may begin to feel tired, weak, or generally unwell. At this stage, your body is sending warning signals that should never be ignored. If this habit continues for long periods, even more dangerous complications can begin to develop. Repeatedly holding your pee for long periods can slowly weaken your bladder and reduce its normal strength. Over time, the bladder may struggle to empty completely, causing a condition known as urinary retention. In severe cases, constant pressure and infection can eventually lead to long-term kidney damage. Holding urine too often may also increase the risk of developing painful bladder. These complications can cause sudden intense pain that may require urgent medical attention. In serious situations, treatment in a hospital may become necessary to prevent further damage. Your body gives clear warning signs, and ignoring them repeatedly lead to dangerous health problems. The good news is that simple, healthy habits can protect your body and prevent these complications. The simplest way to protect your bladder is to use the bathroom as soon as you feel the urge. Allowing your bladder to empty regularly helps maintain healthy pressure and proper muscle function. Drinking enough for each day keeps your urinary system clean and reduces the risk of infection. Listening to your body's signals is an important habit that supports long-term bladder health. Avoid delaying bathroom visits for long periods, especially during work or travel. Simple daily habits can protect your body and prevent many uncomfortable health problems. When your bladder is empty, your body feels relaxed and functions much more comfortably. Taking care of your bladder today can protect your health for many years to come. Your body works best when you respect its signals and take care of your daily health habits. A healthy bladder depends on regular bathroom habits and proper hydration throughout the day. Never ignore the urge to urinate, especially when your body clearly tells you it is time. Simple habits like drinking water and taking breaks can protect your body from unnecessary problems. Preventing health issues is always easier than treating them after serious symptoms appear. Taking small steps every day can make a big difference in your long-term health. Subscribe to Daily Body Science for more simple explanations about your health and body. Your health depends on the small choices you make every single day.